The Family Nurse Practitioner track is 48 credits with a requirement for 600 clinical hours. Our program here at Goodwin, we do only accept applicants that are in the state of Connecticut and who do have a RN license from the state of Connecticut. We do accept up to 6 credits, or essentially 2 classes of previous MSN coursework at this point. FNPs are rapidly becoming the primary healthcare provider. We're also really hearing many stories about how patients find that they have better experiences with the family nurse practitioner in the field. There are 3 on-campus immersion weekends. They are typically a Friday, Saturday during the day. The first 2 immersion weekends are really about being hands-on. Now you've already done a lot of your program at that point. You've gone through the health assessment course, diagnostic course, and so now it's putting those pieces together to prepare you for clinicals. And so for example, in the FNP tracks, we have the students conduct full head-to-toe comprehensive assessments. We do also provide hands-on demonstrations for the students. We also go over specialty skills. We go over sensitive assessments like gynecological assessments. And then the final FNP immersion weekend is really focusing on what happens after I complete this program, including how do I sit for the board exams, how do I apply for jobs, what do I need to do as far as becoming credentialed, getting your APRN license, your DEA license, and so forth and so on. So far, in all of our cohorts that have come through our program, we have successfully matched all of our students. Some students do find their clinical placements on their own, but we do also help to support them. We also really work very hard to continue to maintain our networks and our connections that we've already established, along with finding kind of unique opportunities as well. Really, the sky's the limit. Once they're kind of out and practicing, it's not limited to that family primary care or urgent care setting. But, I think we have all probably experienced an FNP in several different areas of medicine and healthcare.